Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. I'm Adi from Bahasa, Simpana Masjid and Sumbutumbut. Right now, I think I'm gonna try to make a YouTube channel a video, but don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Inshallah, it will support our channel, and we are going to make another video, right? Inshallah. Now, yeah, I want to try to respond to a question about what nasib or what maybe this is music, yeah. What nasib do you like most? That's the question. Uh, Talking about nasib or nasid, right? Talking about nasid, yeah. You know, if the question is about nasid, you like most, I think I like Rehan, right? You know Rehan. This is the nasid um, from Malaysia. If you are, yeah, I can say you are still young. Maybe you don't really know this this music, right? You don't really know, but I know that yeah, I can say that music or that nasid well because I'm an old man. I'm an old man. I know that nasid so well. Um, why I like that nasid or that music genre. Yeah, maybe because you know it, there is a message is of the song or of the lyric, where when I listen to personally, right, when I listen to that music, I feel that wow, it's like reminds me. I can say maybe to something positive like that, right? Maybe about God, about doing something great and so on. That's why I love that Nasir so much. The singers, I mean, the singers are okay, right? And then they have a melodious voice. They have a great voice. But again, I think number one is the message of the lyric or the song. I love that music so much, Rehan. Again, maybe you don't really know because you are coming from German now. But when you have been old like me, I think you know that one so well. That Nasi or that Nasi genre is from Malaysia or Nasi. I can say a group maybe or I don't really know is it a good term or not when I say band, right? I say no, yeah, just a Nasi group maybe um, from Malaysia, and wow, that's a cool. It will remind you to do something great, to go back to the right path. Remember God, the messenger, and people. Wow, so great. So that's my answer about the music you like most. Okay, I think that's it. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, right? Madi from Basing Schools in Panama, Masjid Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.